this video, I'm going to teach you how to add new lists to Convertkit. So as you have noticed, you can head over to kit.com, and this is because ConvertKit has been rebranded as Kit. You first need to head over to their website and click on this button right here in order to start a free trial. They have a 14-day free trial that you can utilize. They don't require any credit card. So once you have successfully signed up, you will have an account. If you already have one, proceed to click on this login right here. Now here is my Kit dashboard. In order to add a new list, proceed to click onto this Go, and from in there you can see your subscribers. Click on this one, and then after that you should be able to see in here the subscribers dashboard for this as well. So what we can do is we can proceed to actually add subscribers. We have in here some options like you can add single subscriber at a time, or you can also import CSV and also import or migrate from another provider. So we have in here a lot of options that we can actually use. So if you want to add a new list, you can proceed to actually choose in here first a single subscriber or choose in here what we have. So in here, it doesn't have separate lists, but you can create them by importing contacts and assigning a tag to that group. For example, click onto this one subscriber and adding here their details. Proceed to click on next, adding here the subscriber tag, and add the tags option and select a tag for them if you want. Now click on finish. Now the subscriber will be added and you can see them on the subscriber list. So it will have only one list with all of your subscriber, but you can tag them right here. So for example, right there, we have in here the subscriber. We can proceed to actually click on them, click on bulk actions, and click on add tag. For example, you can actually add some tag right here if you want them to be like import list as well as some more options right here. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.